Hi, my name is Jonathan. We are Ocean Research, and our mission is to help the world better manage their supply chains. For anyone who's been shopping recently, it can be clear what can happen when our supply chains aren't working effectively. What's perhaps less clear is that even under normal conditions, inefficiencies like this exist throughout our supply chain. Supply chain managers need to make hundreds or even thousands of decisions each day. And even with accurate forecasting, the impact of each decision can be difficult to anticipate. Poor planning and decision making can lead to lost sales, transport bottlenecks, excess inventory, and wasted goods. All this translates to big costs for businesses. To address this problem, we have designed a new algorithm which takes inspiration from cutting-edge advances in the world of AI. Google recently captured the world's attention when it announced that it had designed an algorithm which can teach itself from scratch to play three different board games: chess, shogi, and Go. The algorithm has since equaled or surpassed the world's best players at all three games. Impressive though this algorithm is not something you'll be using anytime soon, because it costs millions of dollars to train even just once. Inspired by this, our proprietary algorithm was designed to treat inventory management within a supply chain like a board game. It is able to consider billions of potential pathways and outcomes in order to efficiently arrive at the best way to manage the system so as to minimize wastage and maximize efficiency. Most importantly, unlike Google's algorithm, it is very cheap and quick to run and can be run on standard hardware, bringing our solution into the realms of commercial reality. In practice, our web-based technology is also very simple to use. It is designed to plug directly into existing inventory management software. Once integrated, using the software is simple and doesn't require a technical expert. The algorithm can be used to make recommendations on how to manage the inventory. These recommendations can allow certain decisions to be automated if desired. The software can also be used to more accurately explore what will happen under different scenarios. For example, what will happen if a given supply becomes unavailable, allowing businesses to make better long-term strategic decisions. We anticipate that there's an opportunity to save a medium-sized retail business anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 per year. And of course, the savings could be substantially larger for bigger retailers. In contrast, our solution is software-based and can be delivered cheaply. We expect that it will initially cost us around $3,000 to $4,000 per year to service one customer on a pared-back consultancy model. However, over time we want to focus principally on delivering software as a service, allowing us to cut per customer cost even further. Retail and related industries represent a big market, even just in Australia. But of course, software solutions can be marketed globally, and we have already interviewed many potential overseas customers. Supply chain is only one domain, however, and our technology is quite general and can be applied to many different industries, including job scheduling, energy distribution, and cloud computing. These are applications we'd like to explore going forward. Our technology is not alone in seeking to address optimization problems in supply chain management. Many existing inventory management software platforms have simple rule-based automation. However, this can only deal with very basic problems. Traditional optimization methods are more powerful, but their implementation can demand a lot of technical expertise and involve serious cost. Whilst AI-based methods have generated a lot of excitement recently, their cost when dealing with large-scale problems continues to inhibit their uptake. Our technology is at the forefront of delivering flexible and powerful solutions at low cost. The team is comprised of myself and Ed. Between us, we have over 20 years of experience in applying the latest in AI to business problems and have authored papers in leading scientific journals. We have the technical skills to build pretty much anything, and we also have the practical business experience required to turn new ideas into something that can have real-world impact. So what's our progress so far? The engine, the most critical part of the product, is already built and have achieved state-of-the-art results in the lab-based settings. We've conducted over 100 interviews via which we have confirmed that there is a market for our technology. And we have also kicked off 4 separate trials with volunteers, each of which are keen to see what our technology can do for their business. Going forward, our first step is to complete our trials and validate that we have a product fit for purpose. With some support from our trial participants, we're hoping to then invest in developing a commercial product. We can then, within a year or two, engage fully in the process of acquiring new customers. From our audience today, we're interested in getting feedback and thoughts on our business plan and overall strategy. And we're also keen to form new contacts with people who can assist us financially with our journey going forward. Thank you for listening. Please contact us if you're keen to learn more. We'd really love to hear more from you. We're Ocean Research, and our mission is to help the world better manage their supply chains.